Hi guys, in this video we are discussing 25 by 50 feet two-story house with two shops. So let's see. First we have shop number 1. The dimensions are 8 feet by 10 feet. The other shop same also 8 by 10 feet, and we have the remaining area is parking 6 feet 9 inches by 10 feet. And this is the main gate. We have 5 feet main gate. So this is the OTS 12 feet 3 inches by 7 feet, and we have 7 feet staircase. Now this is the main door, and this is the living hall. We have 12 feet 7.5 inches by 18 feet in vertical. Now this is the drawing room. We have 10 feet 6 inches by 8 feet, and beside that we have kitchen 9 by 6 feet. And last we have one master bedroom and one bedroom. See, master bedroom dimensions 12 feet 7.5 inches into 12 feet. Bathroom is 7 by 4 feet. So next is bedroom 10 feet 6 inches by 12 feet. So friends, this is a two shops two story house 25 by 50 feet house plan. So if you also want this type of plans or elevations, interior designs, walkthrough, animation, so please comment below. I'll share on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video. So please comment below. AutoCAD plans, construction plans, drawing plans, interior elevations, sections, walkthrough, animations, all providing. So please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.